Welcome back. On to the big exclusive for the day. Federal Bank MD and CEO KVS Manian, in his first interview after taking office, said that I wanted to be the captain of my ship. Now, speaking exclusively to Shereen Bhan, he says that the bank is well poised and is drawing up a plan to break through into the top 5 private lenders of the country with a focus on return on metrics. Here is an excerpt of that conversation.
I think wanting to run your own ship, captain of your own ship,
of your own ship made the choice easier.
That was the easier. That is what made it easy, I think, and the opportunity itself of Federal Bank. Very well poised, great journey. Pulled out of the pack of old private sector banks, clearly leagues ahead. Just the breakthrough into the top league is possible. That story excited me, and I am, I am a kind of person who needs to come to work every day with a spring in my step, wanting to do new stuff, and I thought this was a very exciting opportunity. Exact numbers are not important, right? The direction is important, one. Two, if there is a sectoral deflation or inflation of those matrices, obviously the point we were making is there is best 3 and next 3, and we should lie somewhere in the middle of that pack. Second, like I mentioned earlier, that yes, there is an aspiration built into it, some stretch built into it, yes, but I think the vision needs some stretch, and I am sure that team I have owns it. All the stakeholders that I have discussed the plan with are keen that we put some amount of stretch in the plan and go for it. If you take our CASA ratio, the broad breakup is 24-6, right? 24% SA and 6% CA. I would say
you're making it sound almost musical now.
The 24% SA is fairly in the right zone vis-a-vis the peers, right? More or less, give and take here and there. The 6 of CA is where our difference is, and that's the opportunity. Even within our given network, our SA can be higher without any further investment. Just doing better focused work, we can get outcomes on that. So there are areas like that where we will prioritize to get, juice the network more, to get some higher profitability products like CA. Customer acquisition is probably the higher cost element in most of those businesses than the technology itself. And that is where this is important, right? Technology we can do, but the fact is we have an existing base. Take an example, we have a non-resident base. It's a moat that the bank has built over several years. We do business with them, but our business is highly focused on the deposit side of the business, right? It has relatively less focus on the wealth side of the business. These are customers who are very loyal to us. Sometimes second, third generation of those customers are banking with us. If we make an offer to them on the wealth side, I'm sure we have the trust, their trust that they will buy those products from us. So I think having a base and therefore not incurring costs for acquiring new customers is a very big advantage.
And you can catch excerpts of this exclusive conversation with Federal Bank's MD and CEO all day today only on CNBC-TV18.